Dear leaders, we are starting the meeting in 1 minute. Please be seated. Dear First Vice President of TMI, DTM Stefano McGee, World Champion of Public Speaking 2019, DTM Aaron Beverly, District 79 Director, DTM Shekhar Tiwari, District PQD, DTM Mohammad Afdal, District CGD, DTM Alex Philip, SATAC Chair, DTM Jameel Akhtar, District Division, Area and Club officials, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a vibrant and victorious good morning to one and all. I, Chandravadani, formally open and welcome you all to this wonderful and exciting conference, SATAC 2025, Day 2, Up and Open. Please put your mobile phones in silent mode to avoid any distractions. In case of emergency, God forbid, please use the exits nearer to you to leave the hall. The mission of Toastmasters International is we empower individuals and become more effective communicators and leaders. The mission of our district, we build new clubs and support all clubs in achieving excellence. Please note that we do not discuss matters related to sex, politics, or religion. It's my pleasure to introduce today's Master of Ceremony, a passionate and dedicated Toastmaster, Toastmaster Amal Al-Sadoun. She embarked on a Toastmasters journey in October 2019 and since then has demonstrated unwavering commitment and leadership across every level of our organization. Over the years, Toastmaster Amal has taken on numerous leadership roles at the club, area, and district levels, inspiring and empowering fellow Toastmasters along the way. Currently, she serves as the Division Q Director, where she continues to lead with vision, enthusiasm, and deep sense of our Toastmasters community. Please join me in welcoming today's Master of Ceremony, Toastmasters Amal, with a big round of applause. Toastmaster Amal.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Chandra. Please help me welcoming the youth leader, Mr. Saad Jamil, for Sahara recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وقضى ربك ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه وبالوالدين إحسانا إما يبلغن عندك الكبر أحدهما أو كلاهما فلا تقل لهما أف ولا تنهرهما وقل لهما قولا كريما واخفض لهما جناح الذل من الرحمة وقل رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا ربكم أعلم بما في نفوسكم إن تكونوا صالحين فإنه كان للأوابين غفورا. For your Lord has decreed that you worship none but Him and honor your parents if one or both of them reach old age in your care. Never say to them even oof, nor yell at them. Rather, address them respectfully and be humble with them out of mercy and pray, my Lord, be merciful to them as they raised me when I was young. Your Lord knows best what is within yourselves. If you are righteous, He is certainly all forgiving to those who constantly turn to Him. Thank you.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Saudi Arabian Toastmaster Annual Conference, SATAC 2025. It's wonderful to see so many happy faces in here. We are excited to celebrate our achievements, share our inspiration, and strengthen our bond as leaders and communicators. Before we dive into our program, I would like to take a moment to acknowledge some of the distinguished guests who have honored us in today's event. Our estimated District Director, DTM Shikar Tuwairi. Your leadership has been instrumental in guiding us and fostering growth within our clubs. Our Program Quality Director, DTM Muhammad Afdal, who has tirelessly worked hard to ensure that our education program meets the highest standard, empowering everyone to grow as speakers and leaders. The dynamic Club Growth Director, DTM Alex Phillip, whose effort in expanding our membership and enhancing our clubs have inspired us all. Our passionate division directors, whose commitment to excel has driven our division forward. Our dedicated area directors, who have been a vital link between the clubs and the district, ensuring that we are all connected and supported. And of course, our talented contestants, who have worked hard to showcase their skills and to present their clubs in this event. We can't wait to see you shine on the stage. Today's conference is not just about learning and competition. It's about celebrating our community, sharing our stories, and inspiring one another. We have an exciting lineup, speakers, workshops, and of course, the much anticipated contest. Once again, welcome to SATAC 2025. Let's make this event memorable and impactful. Without further ado, let's kick off our program. I would like to invite the District Director, DTM Shikar Tuwairi, to the stage with a huge round of applause.
Thank you, Master of Ceremony, for this wonderful, wonderful opening. And I'm glad to be here amongst you all, tall leaders. Always I'm thinking that I'm very short because, sometimes people used to say that we are here to inspire you. No, I'm saying something different. I'm here to learn something from you all because you all are my inspiration. I'm always used to say that, Madam Amal, you are my inspiration because since my leadership journey I started, she was the one always guiding me, motivating me. Thank you so much. This is what a coincidence today that Master of Ceremony, my inspiration calling me to say a few words. So dear leaders, we are here and something very important, few important people are here. The one is our world champion. See what a coincidence that means something I have feeling that this year also history repeats. Please help, just give a big round of applause to our world champion 2015, DTM Mohammad Al Ghatani. Believe me, it is just not a coincidence. It is just the beginning. This year also, someone present here is going to bring that wonderful world champion of public speaking title. Are you there with me for this? Yes. Say twice. Yes, yes. So this is the spirit with this. I'm thankful to you. A big thanks to our SATEC chair, DTM Jamil Akhtar, and team of tall leaders, great leaders, day and night working to make this event presentable to you all. So help them and support them with your talent, your guidance, your support. With this note, all the very best to all contestants and the leader behind this show. A wonderful and successful SATEC 2025. Over to you, Master of Ceremony.
Thank you, Didi. With a great pleasure, I would like to introduce SATEC Chair, DTM Jamil Akhtar. He's a staff engineer having a master in methodology engineering. He's a Toastmaster for the last, guess, 20 years. MashaAllah, impressive. He served all leadership roles in district. Help me welcoming DTM Jamil Akhtar. Hi, sorry. Stage is yours.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, good morning. Honorable District Trio, our District Director, DTM Shekhar Tiwari, you are here. District PQD, DTM Muhammad Afdal, District CGD, DTM Alex Philip, other district officers, First International President, DTM Estefano, still not arrived here. World Champion of Public Speaking 2015, Mohammad Al Ghatani. World Champion of Public Speaking 2019, DTM Aaron. Division Directors, Area Directors, Club Presidents, our own SATEC team, and SATEC advisor. Assalamu alaikum, good morning to all of you. Today, I am very comfortable, not for me, with my own team, that SATEC already launched. We started our journey yesterday. Alhamdulillah, it was wonderful yesterday. With all semi-finals, it was memorable. Our Contest operation team, they did the wonderful. Result was very fair. All the best got the first, second, third positions. Now they are ready to again win and make the champions of champion from District 79. Inshallah, today we have so many things, starting with the banner parade, then we have workshop, then we have grand gala lunch. After that, again we have a contest, workshop. One important thing today afternoon that our own world champion DTM Muhammad Al-Qatani will interact one-to-one from 1 o'clock. So anyone come here, he can interact, take the photographs, ask questions, learn from him. Today also we have the world champion public speaking 2019, his keynote speech in the afternoon. Then we have humorous speech. And at 6:30, the main program will finish. We have a council meeting. But we have also dinner and everything. I am going to take this opportunity to appreciate my team, not now, because all are not available. And I will make this announcement afternoon. When all the team who's working day and night, I will call it here and take their dedications is important. One announcement that the Juma prayer today will be done here at 11:40, hall number 3 we already arranged. So relax now and continue journey today, make this event a grand successful. Over to you, MOC.
Thank you, DTM Jamil. And now, I would call to the floor two beautiful ladies who will join us, inspire us to call the banner parade anchor. Welcome to the stage, DTM Nilofer and Toastmaster Judy. Welcome to the stage. Round of applause.
Thank you, Master of Ceremonies, Toastmaster Amal Al-Sadoon, for that appealing introduction. Respected dignitaries, District Director DTM Shekhar Tiwari, Program Quality Director DTM Mohammad Abdul Sahir, Club Growth Director DTM Alex Philip, SETAC 2025 Chairman DTM Jamil Akhtar, and his incredible team, past and present division and area directors, fellow Toastmasters, and distinguished guests. Splendid morning to all.
It is our honor and privilege to be the banner parade masters for this unique event, SATAC 2025. Today, it is our duty to help in recognizing the eminent personalities who have worked tirelessly and lent their unwavering support to write the success story of District 79 during this past term. Let us now begin this magnanimous parade.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have 12 divisions under District 79. We will be recognizing these divisions and their visionary leaders in an alphabetical order. Here comes Division A. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality, said by Warren Bennis. Area 1, led by Toastmaster Mohammad Saifuddin. Area 2, led by Toastmaster Mohammad Saeed Bab Allah. Area 3, led by DTM Georgios Valasios Kompas, and Area 67 led by Toastmaster Abdul Shukur Bukayal. Please welcome the dynamic director of this astounding Division A, Toastmaster Salman Abdul Rahman Al Tassan.
If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. Said by John Quincy. Here comes Division B. This division houses two areas. Area 6, led by Toastmaster Neetu Ratish. Area 22, led by Toastmaster Fahad A. Abu Hamad. Area 38, led by Toastmaster Abdullah Al Khabir. And please welcome the energetic director of this brilliant Division B, DTM Sunil Idikula.
Great leaders don't set out to be leader. They set out to make a difference. It's never about the role. It's always about the goal. Here comes Division D. This division houses three areas. Area 11, led by Toastmaster Thanigaval Ramalingam. Area 12, led by Toastmaster Mehdi Hussain Al Abdullah. Area 14, led by Toastmaster Mohammad Bakarat Hafiz. And please welcome the highly active director of this dazzling Division D, DTM Aravind Seturaman.
Organizations exist to serve, but leaders live to serve. Said by Tom Peters. Here comes Division F. This division houses three areas. Area 31, led by Toastmaster Suresh Shivanandam. Area 60, led by DTM Harish Pudia. Area 61, led by Toastmaster Muhammad Faridul Hassan Safiullah. And please welcome the dynamic director of the flourishing Division F, DTM Leena Unikrishnan.
True leadership is about lifting others up, bringing out the best in people, and creating a legacy of positive impact. Here comes Division G. This division houses three areas. Area 7, led by Toastmaster Batul Haider Bahasan. Area 8, led by Toastmaster Halima Muhammad Al-Ukaisi. Area 45, led by DTM Kiba Radi Noor Al-Deen. Please welcome the amazing director of the Gallant Division G, Toastmaster Rafif Abdullah Al-Johi.
The greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does the greatest things. He is the one that gets the people to do the greatest things. Said by Ronald Reagan. Here comes Division J. This division houses three areas. Area 15, led by Toastmaster Muhammad Munir. Area 32, led by Toastmaster Chivukula Venkata Pattabi Rama Sharma. Area 43, led by Toastmaster Abdul Latif Al Bostani. Please welcome the highly motivated director of the Jazzy Division J, Toastmaster Ramakrishna Kumar R.
Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. Said by John Maxwell. Here comes Division L. This division houses 3 areas. Area 53, led by Toastmaster Jyoti Jain Warrior. Area 63, led by Toastmaster Sohail Rais Siddiqui. And Area 17, led by Toastmaster Sheetal Jhanwar. Please welcome the eloquent director of this luminous Division L, DTM Abul Qasim.
Real leadership is about transforming limitations into possibility. Said by Robin Sharma. Here comes Division M. This division houses 4 areas. Area 20, led by Toastmaster Octavia Chandra Arisanti. Area 41, led by Toastmaster Sara Al Dolaijan. Area 42, led by Toastmaster Rami Al Jawad. Area 50, led by Toastmaster Hashim G. Navilati. And please welcome the amazing director of this magnanimous Division M, Toastmaster Bedur Basan.
Jack Welch once said, "Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others." Here comes Division N. This division houses 3 areas. Area 4, led by Toastmaster Shobita AK. Area 5, led by Toastmaster Rais Saeed. Area 66, led by Toastmaster Ziauddin M. And please welcome the charismatic director of this noteworthy Division N, Toastmaster Memuna Abbas.
A true leader is not the one with the most followers, but one who creates the most leaders. Said by Neil Donald. Here comes Division O. This division houses 3 areas. Area 9, led by Toastmaster Shankar Ram Srinivasan. Area 51, led by Toastmaster Asrar Shahid. Area 52, led by Toastmaster Muhammad Afzal Akram. Please welcome the insightful director of this opulent Division O, Toastmaster Omar Farooq Malik.
Leadership is the ability to guide others without force into a direction or decision that leave them still feeling empowered and accomplished. Said by Lisa Cash Hansen. Here comes Division Q. This division houses 4 areas. Area 23, led by Toastmaster Adil Ibrahim Al-Ateef. Area 47, led by Toastmaster Abdullah Muhammad Al-Swaleh. Area 71, led by Toastmaster Utub Al-Suleiman. Area 73, led by Toastmaster Fawaz Saeed Al-Utaibi. Please welcome the dynamic director of the Point Division Q, Toastmaster Amal Khalid Al-Sadoon.
Great leaders don't set out to be leaders, they set out to make a difference. It is never about role always, but about the goal. Once said by Lisa Hesha. Here comes Division R. This division houses 4 areas. Area 19, led by Toastmaster Fatima Ali. Area 35, led by Toastmaster Hamoud Mojab Al-Utaibi. Area 36, led by Toastmaster Yasir Abdul Rahman Al-Akhili. Area 78, led by Toastmaster Sunayan Sunayan. Please welcome the captivating director of the magnificent Division R, Toastmaster Ali Ahmad Jihad Shaban.
Now it's time to graciously welcome our proud district team, Galaxy of Stars, our dear CGD, PQD, and the district director of the dynamic District 79. Let's start with loving CGD. His hard work, achievements, and joyous outlook in life make him one of the most dynamic leader in the district. Please welcome the Radical Club Road Director of District 79, DTM Alex Philip.
Here comes our dynamic PQD. This distinguished Toastmaster is the testament to charm, humility, and perfection. One of the most innovative Toastmasters in the district. Please welcome the magnificent Program Quality Director of District 79, DTM Mohammad Afdal Sahi sir.
Now comes the Commander-in-Chief of District 79, the most hard-working leader, whose wit, wisdom, and winsome nature makes him a prominent leader and a lovable personality. I hope you all guess the yes man among all of us. Please welcome our Director of District 79, DTM Shekhar Tiwari.
audience, these are the powerhouses of District 79, the legendary visionary leaders who have taken and will take this district to the very heights of success. We now come to the end of the banner parade. Before we close, we now like to take a small group photo to cherish the memory always.